Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite or how you can add Hydra bot in your Discord server in a specific channel. So you can see here all my bots here, but here's no Hydra bot. Okay, now I'm gonna invite Hydra bot in front of you. So choose one server first from here. Choose your server, then click here, open a new tab. You must log in from a Chrome browser. Okay, then right here Hyderabad click on the first link Hyderabad. Now click on invite, this option. Now you make sure your server is this and click on continue. Scroll down and you'll find here authorize. Click on authorize and just tick that you're a human. Click on. Okay, you can see that Hyderabad is coming to your server. Hydra is here. You can see that Hyderabad is here. Okay, so this is how you can invite Hyderabad in your Discord server in a specific channel. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.